Activate or deactivate emergency alerts on Samsung Galaxy S24. Have you recently received an emergency alert test on your Samsung Galaxy S24 and want to deactivate it? Don't know if you have emergency notifications activated and want to enable them? Do you want to check the emergency alerts you have recently received? Whatever your case, or if you simply want to check if wireless emergency alerts are turned on your Galaxy S24, here we will explain how to do it. We offer you a step-by-step with images so you don't get lost. You should know that emergency alerts are a new feature that is being implemented in several countries and regions. Currently, tests are being carried out to ensure the correct functioning of the system. You may have been shocked when you saw that your Galaxy S24 made a loud sound and displayed an alert message on the screen without understanding the reason. Logically, we recommend keeping these emergency notices active, as they are very useful in the event of a catastrophe or emergency. Furthermore, they do not represent. This guide has a total of 6 steps. 1. First step. To access the Samsung Galaxy S24 settings, first locate the gear icon, which should appear on the device's home screen. If you don't find it there, swipe up from the bottom edge of the home screen to open the app list. In this list you will find the system search engine. Type Settings. 2. Second step. Scroll down in the Samsung Galaxy S24 settings until you reach the Notifications section. Within this section we will find the emergency alert settings. Press to access notification settings. 3. Third step. When accessing the Notifications section of the Samsung Galaxy S24, the first thing we will see are 3 images with the different types of notifications. Below will appear the application icons that have recently sent a notification. Continue scrolling down through the Notifications section until you find the Advanced Settings section and click to access. 4. Fourth step. Again we will have to go all the way down to the bottom of the Advanced Notification settings to find the Wireless Emergency Alerts section. Click on this button to configure emergency alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S24. 5. Fifth step. Once inside the Wireless Emergency Alerts settings, we can check whether alert notifications are activated or not. 6. Sixth step. For Spain, the alert system is called Civil Protection Pre-Alerts. It may have another name in your country or region. Activate or deactivate this option according to your preferences. Access Emergency Alert History on your Samsung Galaxy S24 to review previously sent alerts.